Hey everyone, if you're new to GRC, welcome. I'm Dr. Natasha Stribbell, a certified family physician in the Georgina area. I'm here to help you understand your skin and what you can do to improve the aging process, as well as decrease hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and all sorts of other skin conditions. So I thought to go in tune with our skincare promotions for the month of August that I would break down a few short videos about, well, skin. Before we begin, don't forget to give us a like and a follow to see more of the videos in this series. The first video will be a short, simple version of Skin Biology 101. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered what our body's largest organ is? Well, the skin is the body's largest organ, and to be honest, I don't think we give it enough credit. Everyone is so worried about the heart, the lungs, all of these vital organs for obvious reasons, of course. But the skin has just as many vital functions, such as protecting the body from trauma, regulating body temperature, maintaining a balance with water and electrolytes, sensing pain and other stimuli, and participating in vitamin D production. The skin is composed of three major layers: the epidermis on top, the dermis, and then the hypodermis. The epidermis is composed of many different layers, but to simplify it a little bit further, essentially the bottom layers grow new cells called keratinocytes, which then push up and replace the upper layers as they die. These cells are incredibly important because they are what provides the nice new cells once these ones die. And they're also imperative to protecting us. These cells on average regenerate in about 20 to 30 days, but this process also slows as we age. By the time we're in our 60s, it takes nearly 90 to 100 days to regenerate. That's almost 5 times slower from the age of 20 to 60. This is super important because with this process slowing down, it makes our skin look duller and less even. We can, however, exfoliate to improve this look, but we'll talk about that at a later date. The epidermis is strong, waterproof, and protects us from bacteria and viruses. In areas where we require more protection, the layers of skin are thicker, like in our hands and our feet. Also, in the bottom layer are cells called melanocytes, and these are the cells that produce pigment and color. These cells produce melanin, which is responsible for filtering UVA radiation from sunlight, which damages our cells and has many harmful effects like skin cancer and contributes largely to the aging process, which again, we will discuss a little bit later in another video. The dermis makes up 90% of the skin's thickness, and it is the layer that provides the strength and elasticity due to the presence of two important things: collagen and elastin, and these things are crucial parts to skincare. This area is made up of two layers of connective tissue that form a mesh-like system made from cells called fibroblasts. This is also where the hair follicles attach. Nerves in this layer tell us whether it's hot, cold, itchy, etc. Oil glands help keep the skin soft and smooth and prevents absorption of too much water. Sweat glands regulate body temperature, and blood vessels provide nutrients to the skin to keep it healthy. All of these things are found in that second layer, the dermis. The hypodermis, which is the last bottom layer, is comprised predominantly of subcutaneous tissue and fat cells or lipocytes. So let's summarize for a minute. 1. The skin is the human's largest organ. 2. We have 3 layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis, which are responsible for protecting the body and the skin, for maintaining a water and electrolyte balance, for sensing pain and stimuli, and also is imperative in participation of vitamin D production. We need to understand how melanocytes, keratinocytes, and fibroblasts work in order to understand and then therefore treat the aging process. So that's all I have for Skin Biology 101. Stay tuned for our next video and be sure to subscribe. Take care.